Why? Why?
I'm a star, cause I slay, I slay, I slay.
Get ready with me while I do my makeup for today. So I'm prepping my lips with my favorite lip gloss from Summer Fridays in the color Cherry. And then I'm going in and priming my face with e.l.f. primer. Got to get that smooth base, okay, period. Now I'm going in with the Soft Glam foundation from e.l.f. This is one of my favorite foundations, very affordable. Y'all see how it blends out? So cute. So I'm doing my makeup, getting ready to go to the mall with my mama. So just watch me do my makeup. I do the same steps, prime. Well, first moisturize, then prime, and then go in with foundation. And now I'm going in with my favorite concealer from Juvia's Place in the shade 10. And then I'm going in with a brighter concealer from Born This Way Concealer. And I'm using both of these concealers today. I'm applying it on the back of my hand, and then I'm using a brush to blend out my concealer so that it's nice and smooth. I feel like I have more control over my makeup when I use a brush to apply my concealer. It just works better. Less product. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer, and then I'm going to set it with my translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. So I find that when I do my makeup, I have to take time and do my makeup and make sure that it come out right, because if I quickly do my makeup, it's just gonna be a hot mess. Like I literally tried to do my makeup last week and I was just rushing. I'm like, why am I rushing to do my makeup? Do not rush and do your makeup. Make sure you take your time if you want your makeup to come out right, because if you are rushing with anything in life, it's just not gonna come out right. So just make sure you take your time, blend out your makeup, make sure everything is perfect, and then you're gonna be good. I did let my concealer dry down for like 2 minutes while I do my brows, and then I just blended everything out using a brush. I like using a brush. So you can use a beauty blender, you can use a brush, it really doesn't matter. Just blend it out and use tapping motions. I like going in with a powder puff to apply my translucent setting powder. Make sure I tap off all the extra excess on there. Excuse my faces. I'll be making some crazy faces, y'all, when it's time to go in and set that under eye, because I don't want no creases. So I got to make sure I set everywhere I put that concealer, and my under eyes, ooh, be literally my worst enemy. Literally every time I'm doing my makeup, it's coming out real good. I'm like, ooh, okay, I just ate down with my makeup. And then, y'all, when I went in to set my makeup, that's literally where everything went downhill. As soon as I was done setting my face with setting spray, my eyes started to water. Y'all gonna see. But before that, I went in with my Fenty bronzer in the shade Caramel Cutie, applying it on my cheeks, on my chin, and on my jawline to give that bronzed effect. Okay, period. Love me a good bronze from Fenty Beauty, or I like the one from NYX. And I like applying that on my forehead and my nose. Snatch that nose, okay, period. So now I'm going in with Morphe's new blush trio. It's super cute. Comes with 3 different blushes. And this one is so lightweight. It's not super pigmented like the next one, but it's definitely that girl. It's really cute. And now I'm going in with the NYX highlight. And I like applying it on the bridge of my nose and my brows and the tip of my nose, just to give it that little cute little finishing touch. So I did go in with this She Glam palette with this color, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on my lids just to give a nice eyeshadow look. So now I'm going in with the Morphe setting spray, and this is where everything went downhill. I literally drowned myself in setting spray. Drowned. So once I think I went back in with a second round of setting spray, and it was just too much, and my eyes started to water, and my I had to get the fan. I got the fan just to like dry my face and try to like fix it, but my eye was just literally, I think I sprayed some setting spray in my eye, and that's where everything just went downhill. But don't even trip. Your girl is a pro, literally a pro at this point. Why? Why? So once my eye was done watering, I just basically blended out the section that the teardrop came down, and then I went in with a little bit of product that was left over on a brush, and then I just set that area with some setting powder, and then you good to go. For lips, I'm going in with my NYX lip pencil, and then I'm going in with two buttermelt lip glosses from NYX, and then that's pretty much gonna be the finished look. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see from me going forward. And once I did my lip combo, I did go in with another round of setting spray. I went in with the red can of L'Oreal. This is literally the best setting spray for the summer. This is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup. Started out crazy. I literally almost messed up my makeup by crying. But yeah, I look super, super duper cute. Hey. The hair deets is gonna be in the description. Ooh. Hair deets. It's giving cute. It's giving cute. Oh, I got this glueless wig from TikTok. I was sent this hair to review, and it's cute. If you want something quick and easy, a throw-on wig, little wear and go, this gonna be your best friend.